910s, yep. It's not something you hear every day. Most people be like 415s or something. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. You going in?
No, go ahead, man. Go ahead.
Okay.
For the cause.
This is solid, man. Did you used to have... Sorry.
We're good.
Did you add a loading wall?
Yeah, we finished 4 or 5 of it. Took some time, but we finished it.
Okay. Did the loading wall help the lows or what?
It went from 35 to 34.
So you just lost one peak. How was it metering though?
At Bourbon doing 50s, almost 58.
58? Wow, okay.
Just a 12K.
Yeah. What equipment on the subwoofers?
Just the MD12K, the 100 battery limitless.
Okay. Resilient sounds.
Yep.
What?
Golds.
Gold 10s. All right. Whew. What are you wired to on that amp? 1.8. Okay. Yeah.
Wait till I add more power. Then I'll be like,
Oh, you think so?
yeah, wait till I add more power.
Yeah.
Power, you can get it.
I was gonna say, how much do you think the subs are getting each with that one amp?
I don't know. I think I'm planning to buy like 600 of the
600? Yeah.
What you got in the room?
910s.
910s?
Yeah.
910s, yep.
Yeah.
It's not something you hear every day.
Yeah.
Most people be like 415s or something.
910s?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you for the demo.
Alright, Jay, thanks.
You only open from the outside.
Yeah, outside.
Hey, but it's loud.
Yeah.
Appreciate the demo. Woo! Wow, yeah.
Wait till I add more power. Then I'll be like,
Oh, you think so?
yeah, wait till I add more power.
Yeah.
Power, you can get it.
I was gonna say, how much do you think the subs are getting each with a 1 amp?
I don't know. I think I'm kind of behind like 600 of the
600? Yeah.
What you got in the room?
910s.
910s?
Yeah.
910s, yep.
Yeah.
It's not something you hear every day.
Yeah.
Most people be like 415s or something.
910s?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you for the demo.
Jay, thanks.
You only open from the outside.
Yeah, outside.
Hey, but it's loud.
Yeah.
Appreciate the demo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.